Hi, welcome to PiSquare Academy, myself Sekhar. All of you must be aware of what's going on around the world. I'm not going to take your time to explain what is going on, but I'm going to tell you the best and equal opportunity which every one of us have to serve our nation. Keep it noted, best and equal opportunity to serve your nation. Why I'm saying best and equal opportunity? Because you don't have to donate a single penny, you don't have to fight. What all you need to do is, you need to stick to your home. Do you think you would ever get better opportunity than this to serve your nation? If you just can't do this, I don't think we can do anything for our nation. Just go around, there are a lot of people are going around. They're not able to stick to their home to serve their country. Don't think too much, just lock down yourself at your home and spend the time with your family. That's enough to serve the country, dude. That's why I said this is a best and equal opportunity every one of us has, irrespective of your social status and your ability. So here is a PiSquare self-lockdown challenge. You lock down yourself at your home for a week. You should never come out of the rooftop during this challenge period. Except for 1 hour in the entire week span, you can come for 1 hour, maybe 10 minutes like that, 1 hour. Me and my team are accepting this challenge and throwing this challenge to all our Indian students. Share this video with your friends if you accept this self-lockdown challenge to serve your nation, and tell me in the comments if you accept it. Remember, to serve your nation, you simply need to accept this challenge and share this challenge, throw this challenge to at least 10 people. During this lockdown period, PiSquare is providing our courses at 90% off. You just need to pay 10% to access the full courses for 365 days. Accept this challenge, share this challenge, enjoy our courses. Thank you.